And when you exhale, the mind moves from the tailbone to the crown of the head. Om Shanti. You can even pick up only this nyasa step and do it for 10 minutes on each side for a couple of days in the weeks and see what is the result. Shanti. Om Shanti. Now leave this. Bring your awareness inside the heart. Visualize the triangle pointing upward. You already know it. Move the mind on a triangle, clockwise or anti-clockwise, to check that you're fully aware the mind is not distracted anywhere. Then, inside the triangle, move the mind while singing. You sing so long that it goes deep inside your heart, in the cave of your heart. And then Shanti. And then stay there. So check that you're able to stay there for an extended period. And then what happens comes, we can experience the simultaneous. What is simultaneous? Simultaneous timelessness in time. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. And then even the mantra is gone. We don't need the mantra. That you have to check. Om Shanti, Shanti. Inhale, do nothing, remain as you are. We'll share our experiences once we return. Live in that state of doing nothing. When we do nothing, does any change in the universe stops changing? No. So it means there is something in me that never changes. I'm doing nothing. That I am is beyond the change. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Bring your awareness on the right hand, your awareness on the left hand. Lift your both the palms, place it on your eyes, open the eyes inside the palms. Bring your hands down, we'll share our experiences. Now, how are you, Stephen?
I'm good, thank you. That was, I'll explain it as, it was like a perfect flow. Just from the start of the Sarve Sham mantra to the deep breathing, to the nyasa, to the heart, it was just absolute flow to complete peace.
Complete peace. Wonderful. It's a beautiful explanations. How are you, David and Jerry?
Extremely deep, extremely peaceful. I was seeing indigo again, and I want you to remind me what indigo color means. And it would, as soon as I would see it, it would just kind of like go away. That's the only observation I had. The nyasa was very tingling in my body, I guess.
Ah, that's good.
Yeah.
Very deep peace. Obviously, you see that the moment anyone says that it's a deep peace, it is removing those impressions, the reservoir of the impressions. That is why we need to do the practice. Beautiful. How are you, Jerry?
Thank you, sir. I'm good. Yeah, it was nice and quiet, still, just wonderful. No distractions, just focused, absorbed.
Absorb. That's also a deeper practice. How are you, Sam?
Good. The practice for me was peaceful, but a little bit heavier today. Body felt a little heavy today.
Yeah.
That's really it.
That's very good. Body feels happy. It is because of the second sheet, the way the prana, the energy sheet works. Sometimes it wants to come out because of the past impression present in the mind, so it makes it happy. When it withdraws inside, light. So we'll also pick up those changes that is taking place. So how are you, Rakesh?
Yes. Uh, Thank you, sir. Today, everything was happening. It's just going on. I was not doing anything. And particularly when we reached to the triangle, I went deeper inside for miles and miles, very deep.
Beautiful. That is, you see that, my mind is telling me to tell you something. A year ago, in these Mondays and Thursdays sessions, so you cannot make out. I'm just saying. So a person, I'm not saying guy or a girl, he virtually fought with me that why don't you invite me to share my experiences first? I'm terribly disturbed. So many things happen, Sam. In this journey, you are going to be a coach. I said, okay, I will try my best, but while sharing the experiences, I become totally unconscious. So bear with me. How are you, Terry?
I had a good experience doing all the stages,
Yeah.
but I had a lot of distractions from within me. Like
Yeah,
I couldn't get the triangle to hold still.
yeah.
Jumping all over the place.
It's okay.
But I was thinking about how I always want to coordinate the breathing with the thinking of the Om Shanti, because you're
Yeah.
thinking it, you're not. And then I wondered if you were supposed to coordinate it rhythmically, and then you said something about rhythmically, so I thought, okay, well that's okay to
So
coordinate.
the way you are thinking, it's a right way of thinking. Even if you are thinking to coordinate these two, the intellect coordinates with the breath, and that will help you remove the distractions of the mind.
Yeah, my awareness of the breath is always very strong.
Very good.
I'm aware of when it's not deep enough.
Nobody can say that you have any problem at today's session.
I think
So,
I was just doing the work.
yeah, the same way you have to live into that state 24/7. How are you, Barbara? No, we don't hear you. We see your lips movement. How come? So there is some issue. Try this out. Try this out. If you can speak, you should start speaking. In the meantime, we'll go to Lalit.
Yes, sir. So it was very good for me. Initially, I had thoughts, but then I could absorb myself into the practice.
Very
And I just
good.
need to again keep doing it regularly and consistently to succeed.
Yes, my friend, keep doing it. So please don't feel bad if I call you the last to share your experience. I won't tell you, no? Who is that guy or a girl? How are you, Vaibhav?
Set was deep, continuous, very peaceful.
Very peaceful. Beautiful. That's a beautiful explanation. So you can start speaking, Barbara. You can say, hey, once you're able to do it. So how are you, Anesthesia?
Thank you very much. It was still and peaceful. And today I had a lot of imaginations and thoughts. My mind was cooking his own dish but it was everything in front of me, like just looking what's happening.
Yeah.
And it was very still and calm, like pictures on the screen that are coming and going.
Yeah. You should think in this way. She came out with a good expression that I see. Everything is happening, coming and going in front of me. This is what the witness consciousness is. This is what the Sakshi is. Beautiful. How are you, Sangeeta? Thank you for joining me again.
सर बहुत अच्छा था, बहुत पीसफुल था। और सर लास्ट वीक मैं वहाँ थी किन्नौर में, तो वहाँ इंटरनेट नहीं था, इसलिए ज्वाइन नहीं
Oh, okay, no problem. So very good. She felt very good. So we will not hear good voice. Oh, where is Ashok? I don't see. Oh, you're here. How are you?
आज ना थोड़ा मेरे को पेन है कल से ना पेट में पथरी का। अल्ट्रासाउंड कराया था तो 3-4 mm की पथरी निकली है। तो पेन कंटिन्यूस बना हुआ है, बट आई वाज इन मेडिटेशन, दैट वाज गुड।
Good.
Taking medicines, all that.
So no pain medication, no pain meditation. It was pure meditation.
Pure medication. Right.
Yeah. You see that pain is there in the body, and then the mind creates a sense of self-denial. So then I am already attached to the body. So when I'm attached to the body in the mode of a self-denial, then we are already a non-seeker. But if we continue, we persist, suffering is not there. Pain may be there. By understanding the 2 points, pain may be there. Pain is body, physical sheath. So no issue, Barbara, we are waiting. So no problem. We can hear you because of your smile. So that is all for, okay, sometime it happens. Thank you very much. We will keep.
Thank you, sir.
Namaste.
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 Thank you.
Thank you.